Hey guys, imagine your Wi-Fi turning on as you reach home, or your mobile data switching off at bedtime without lifting a finger. Sounds cool, right? Well, you don't need to imagine. It's real, and it works on many phones, not just Samsung. I'll be using the Galaxy S22 Ultra to demo. But if you use Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, or even iPhone, don't scroll away. Watch till the end because I've got your brand covered too. Let's dive in and automate your smartphone like a boss. Start with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and other Galaxy devices. You have to go to settings, up here, settings, and you tap on modes and routines, this one, and you select routines, select the routine tab down here, and you tap this plus sign to create a new routine. Under if, see the if, under if, choose choose your trigger could be time, location, charging status, or Wi-Fi network. Let's choose time. Let's say see, you have triggers here, a lot of things that you want to trigger your Wi-Fi on and off. So let me choose time. um let's say time period, specific time, specific time if you want it to run, for the action to be between this time and this time, or if you want, oh, specific time if you just want it to start at 4 o'clock. Time period if you want it to start maybe from 4 to 5. So let's just do maybe specific time, right? So um that, then you set the time that you want your Wi-Fi to automatically come on or off. So let's say it's 4:32 now. Let me just give it some time to set this up. Let's say 4:41 p.m. So you want the uh, the the Wi-Fi to at 4:41, maybe every day, or maybe just this one day of the week. Let's say maybe every day at 4:41 p.m. to what you want the Wi-Fi to be the trigger. You want the time to be the trigger to turn off your Wi-Fi. So that's if, and then you go to then add what the routine done. So then choose what you want to happen. So since this is about Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on and off, you go to connections. So connections, and you can choose either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or even mobile data. If you want it to turn off your mobile data at this time, or if you want it to go into data saver at this time, if you want mobile hotspot, this can automate your whole life, right? Around, So now let me see Wi-Fi. Okay, so if I want the to Wi-Fi so at that time to turn on. If it was off, I want it to turn on. So you go done. Okay, now give your routine a name. After you set your conditions, you click save and you give it a name. Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi on and off, home Wi-Fi on and off. And you say done, right? Now for other Android devices like Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, let's go. Maybe for Tecno and Infinix, you go to settings on your phone and you go to smart panel or smart assistant, and you look for scheduled task or smart scenes. You tap add new, set conditions like time, battery, battery level or location. Choose an action, turn Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or mobile data on or off, and then you save the automation. For older versions, might not have this feature. So if so, use a third-party app. I would suggest something like Macro Droid or IFTTT. Macro Droid or IFTTT. Look for the app in the App Store. For OnePlus or Oxygen operating system, for OnePlus, go to settings, advanced, OnePlus Scout, or you can use Google Assistant routine, or you can download the Automate or Tasker app. You can get another app, Automate or Tasker app. Set your triggers and actions just like on Samsung. For iPhone, open the Shortcuts app. Go to Automation and create personal automation. Choose a trigger, time of day, location, or Wi-Fi connection. Tap Next and add action. Search for Set Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or Set Cellular Data. Take a note. iOS, like Apple operating system, currently doesn't allow cellular data control through shortcuts, but Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are supported. Tap Next and toggle off Ask before running, and tap Done. And that's how you turn your smartphone into a smart assistant, whether it's a Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, or even iPhone. If this was helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more smartphone hacks. Drop a comment below with your phone brand so I can make specific tips just for you.